Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to add fractions with the same denominator. Let's get started. So to solve the questions, we'll be going through 4 steps. Step 1, check the denominator. Step 2, add the numerator. Step 3, keep the denominator. And 4, simplify if needed. As we work through the next few problems, we will go through the steps more deeply. Okay, let's start off with question number 1. It says 3/5 plus 1/5 equals question mark. Okay, so the first step was to check the denominators. So as we can see here, the denominators are the same. So that allows us to add the fractions. If they were not the same, then we would have to include an extra step. Okay, step 2, add the numerators. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Step 3 is to keep the denominators. So that's just 5. And simplify if needed. As we can see here, 4/5 is in its simplest forms. Now let me model this using the rectangles below. So here we have 3/5. So let me color in 3/5. Oh, 3/5. There we have 3/5. And on the second rectangle we have 1/5. So if we look more closely, we can see that we have 3/5 right here and 1/5 right here. So if we add both of those together, we get 4, and then we keep the same denominator, so we get 4/5. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2 says 5/12 plus 4/12. Okay, let's start off with step 1. It says check the denominators. So we can see that the denominators are the same, 12 and 12. Okay, now let's do step 2. We have 5 plus 4, which is 9. So we added the numerators. Now step 3 is to keep the denominators. So we will keep 12. And step 4 is to simplify if needed. Well, here we can see that 9/12 has a least common multiple of 3. So we will simplify it by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So in our simplified version, the answer here would be 3/4. Okay, let's move on to the last question, question number 3. Here in question number 3, we can see that we have 3/7 plus 2/7. Okay, let's go step by step. We have check the denominators. The denominators here are the same. Add the numerators. We have 3 plus 2, which is 5. Keep the same denominator, which is 7, and simplify if needed. As we can see, 5/7 is in its simplest form. Now, just to recap, to add fractions with the same denominator, step 1, check the denominator. Step 2, add the numerator. Step 3, keep the denominator. And 4, simplify if needed. These steps will help you add fractions with the same denominator. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any other video recommendations that you would like me to post, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.